the top 5 reasons why you're snoring. Number 1, nasal issues. Chronic nasal congestion or a deviated septum can initiate snoring. Next is being overweight. Carrying extra weight can put pressure on the airway, leading to that notorious snoring sound. Third is alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol can relax the muscles of the throat and decrease your body's natural defense against airway obstruction. Lying on your back is also a reason that can lead to snoring. Finally, sleep apnea. This often requires medical intervention.